Hi friends, today I am going to make a very signature Maharashtrian dish which is called as Thalipeeth. So today I am going to make Soya Thalipeeth. For Soya Thalipeeth I have taken 1 large cup of soya and I have soaked it in hot water for almost 30 minutes. Now I will drain off the excess water from the soya bean. Try to drain as much as water you can. Now I will be grinding our soaked soya bean. Make sure that you don't make a fine paste of it. Rather it should be just coarsely grinded. It should become like keema sort of. So let's grind this now. So this is how the texture of grinded soybean should be. It should not be finely paste, but sort of keema kind of structure. So now we will start preparing the Thalipeeth mix. For this I am taking a ball and I am adding soya bean mixture in this. To this now I am adding 2 tablespoons of besan. And then I am adding 2 tablespoons of curd. Now we will add pinch of salt, and here I have taken 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder and turmeric powder, so I will add this too. Now we'll give a nice mix to this. Now to add to this mixture, I have taken 1 onion finely chopped, 1 tomato finely chopped, 1 small green chili finely chopped, 1 slice of ginger finely chopped, and coriander leaves. Now I will be adding all these ingredients one after the other to this mixture. So I have mixed all the ingredients well and our Thalipeeth mix is ready. So now we will start making the Thalipeeth. For this I have taken a pan and I'll be taking 2 to 3 drops of oil. And using a brush I'll distribute this oil evenly across the pan. Now we'll let the oil get heated and then we will put the Thalipeeth. So our pan is heated now. I will take almost a medium size ball of Thalipeeth mix and slowly, gently we'll try to spread this on the pan. You can just wet your fingers and try to spread it so that it will spread evenly throughout the pan. We'll make a small hole in center that basically signifies the Thalipeeth. And pour some oil on top of it. Now we'll let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we'll flip so that the other side can get cooked well. Now we'll cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. So our Thalipeeth is ready